In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert different footers on each page in Microsoft Word. Using unique footers for each page is useful when creating professional documents, reports, or books, where each page requires different information, such as chapter titles, page numbers, or custom notes. Word makes it simple to set up separate footers for each page or section. To begin, open your Word document and navigate to the page where you want to add a different footer. Then, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Footer in the Header and Footer group. Choose a footer style from the available options or select Edit Footer to start with a blank footer. Once the footer area is active, you'll see the Header and Footer Tools tab appear. Here, make sure to select the option labeled Different First Page if you want the first page to have a unique footer. This is especially helpful for title pages or cover pages that don't require the same footer as the rest of the document. If you want different footers on other pages, you'll need to divide your document into sections. To do this, place your cursor at the beginning of the page where the footer should change. Then go to the Layout tab and select Breaks, followed by Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a new section starting on that page. With the new section in place, double-click the footer area to activate it. You'll notice that the Link to Previous option is selected by default. Click on it to deselect it. This disconnects the footer from the previous section, allowing you to create a different footer for this page. Now, type the content you want in the footer, such as a chapter title, date, or page number. Repeat this process for additional pages or sections as needed, always ensuring that Link to Previous is turned off in each section where you want a unique footer. Once you've added all your footers, click Close Header and Footer to return to the normal editing view. Your document will now display different footers on each page or section according to your setup. By using sections and disabling Link to Previous, you can customize footers throughout your document for a professional and polished result. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.